Creations. Today we're going to be making something really cool that you can use for a prop in your front yard. It's going to be a Jack Skellington creature from, his line of monsters. Alright, we'll be back in a minute and show you what we're going to do, but this is the things that you're going to need. You're going to need pipe covering insulation that we got at Lowe's, and you're going to need PVC pipe. We had 3 pipes and we had them cut separate sizes. I will put the sizes in the description box below. And we're going to need 2, these are called T-posts that we're going to stick in the bottom to hold them into the ground. Thank you, Tiffany. And for the head, we bought these 2 half-round things at Michael's, and we're going to make his face with those. Now you can use your own imagination to get the head you want. You make it your own. And then we got this creepy cloth that we're going to put around this. And we got duct tape, and then just the PVC angles and the couplings. So we're back to show you what to do first.
Okay, so what we did first was connected the body to the 3-way, the teeth, and these right here are the 20-inch. We have the 2 6-inches for the shoulders, the 45-degree angle, 10 inches for the neck, and the arm is 2 feet. We used a 45 for this arm, and for this arm over here is a 90-degree, and then this right here is also a 2 foot, and for the rest we just connected
4-inch, right?
Coupling with a 4-inch. Yeah. For the hips we used 2 45s. These 2 right here are 2 feet. The knees are 45, and then the legs are 4 feet. And now we're just going to add the PVC pipe around the body, and we'll be back.
Alright, so this is how we're doing so far. And we covered the pipe with the insulation that we bought, the pipe insulation. And then this part here was thick, so we cut 1 piece and we just opened it like this, like flat ways, and put it around the front, and then on the back we did the same thing because it's wider. Then we just put duct tape around it, and we are just going around the seams, putting on the finishing touches, and we'll be right back. Okay, so the next step is we have to form the head. We have to, what's his name, Jack? We're going to make Jack's head. So we had 2 half rounds, and we're going to make 1 full round, which is going to be his head. So what we did is we used toothpicks. Put them in that side. And we're going to put this on top and push it down in to make his head. This way there's no seams with tape and you don't have a problem with glue. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to paint his face, and he's coming to life. So we'll be right back. So Tiffany's working on his fingers down here, if you could see them. We're using the hanger, and we're going to wrap them. We're going to show you how it's done. But for now, we're getting them ready. Alright, so there's the head. Tiffany did a great job drawing it in. And they're working on the fingers right now. They took the coat, or the hangers, the metal hangers, just wrap tape around them and form them into fingers. That's one hand. There we go. Okay, so this is one hand done. Look how spooky and creepy that is. What a great job, Tiffany. You are so articulate. I just love it. Wait till you see it when it's done. Alright, so she's taping it on the outside. The hand that she made there. Wrapping it around. Pulling it tight. Making the hand go in.
Well, yeah, I'm just...
Okay. And then you just tape it. Now, what do you stick in that piece of pool
just
noodle
for
in?
extra
Foam?
support.
Oh, for support to tape it?
Yeah, and then I'm going to tape it coming up into there.
Gotcha. Alright, so that's how we do the hands. Here we go. Okay, here we are, the finished product. And then the only thing that we did that we didn't show you is we put that cloth over the shoulders. And there we go. Another job well done by Tiffany. Okay, so Jack is in his home now. Tiffany made him for her sister Amanda. And look at her place. Looking good, looking good. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, you guys. Like, share, and wait for the next good video to come. Be good until then.